Today, we're in the beautiful countryside of Vermont, exploring a property that's full of opportunity, privacy, and classic New England charm. Set on just over 8 acres, this 3-bedroom, 2.5-bath home is tucked away from it all, the perfect place for anyone who loves peace, space, and potential. As we drive up the long, private approach, the setting immediately draws you in. Mature trees surround the property, offering total seclusion and that unmistakable Vermont calm. This home has great bones. It just needs someone ready to bring it back to life with a little TLC and creativity. Stepping inside, the first floor opens with an old-style country kitchen connected seamlessly to the open dining area, the kind of space that could easily become the heart of the home with a few personal touches. Just beyond that, you'll find a large living room featuring a stunning stone fireplace, perfect for cozy winter nights or gathering with family and friends. Down the hall, the primary suite offers plenty of space and privacy, complete with its own bath. There's also a half bath and laundry area conveniently located on the main level. Heading upstairs, you'll find 2 additional bedrooms and another full bath, giving you plenty of room for family, guests, or even a home office. Throughout the home, you'll notice beautiful wood floors just waiting to shine again. And for those who love space to work, build, or store, the large L-shaped garage is a major bonus, with 2 separate garage doors and room for equipment, hobbies, or even a workshop. Outside, it's all about the land. Over 8 acres of Vermont privacy. Imagine creating trails through the woods, setting up a garden, or simply enjoying the sounds of nature with your morning coffee. This property is a rare find, a true blank canvas in an unbeatable location where peace, privacy, and potential all come together. Whether you're looking for a full-time home, a renovation project, or a Vermont getaway, this one is worth a closer look. So, come take a tour and see what's possible. This could be your Vermont dream waiting to happen.